When I need any help when it comes to Google AdWords, anything else Google related, Qasim is the man that I turn to anytime, every time. And just last year, he went into all 5 of my companies and did multiple webinars, multiple one-on-ones, and he did it for free because Qasim's a badass guy and the greatest Google expert I know alive. You got to read his book. It's going to be a bestseller, and there is nobody that can help you more when it comes to Google than Qasim.
There's a reason that Qasim rhymes with awesome, because he's absolutely awesome at Google Ads. Qasim is the best in the business. If you're looking for someone knowledgeable in Google Ads, Qasim is where you're going to look. When I have questions about Google Ads, I go to Qasim. He's absolutely brilliant.
This kid knows exactly what to do, when to do it, and has been able to hire the crack staff over at Solutions 8 to really lift his vision and allow them to be really the top Google ad agency on the planet. We have a Google side to what we do inside Tier 11, but we work it alongside the Meta platforms. But as a sole solution for Google Ads, there's nobody better than these guys. And Qasim is the leader of that gang over there, which are tremendous tacticians when it comes to Google Ads, all led by his superior leadership and intellect. So I highly recommend anybody to either get Qasim to speak, read his book, hire his agency, and I thank him for his friendship.
And there's nobody better than my buddy Qasim. Qasim is the man when it comes to understanding how to get good leads with great clients that convert into real money. He wrote the new book, You versus Google, and it's an amazing book. He's an amazing guy, and he's an expert in the subject matter of Google.
This dude is a genius. He is the Google Ads guy, probably the best in the whole US. So I got to give him a huge shout out. And if you're considering buying his book, highly recommend it. This guy knows his stuff. He's been in the business for a long time. And not only is he technically one of the best that's out there, but he's a fantastic guy as well. Somebody that I consider a friend. So just do whatever he says.
I've been working with Kazim for many years. And I can say that he's one of the smartest cookies I've ever met when it comes to advertising on Google. So now the guy has written a book. Here's the guy, here's his book. I can say only one thing, guys. Read it and learn. Enjoy.
But 9 times out of 10, when it comes down to it and you ask them how they learn Google Ads, they will say over and over that it was Qasim Aslam that was the guy that actually helped them crack the code, work out how to do it. Now, I know that whenever I have a question when it comes to Google Ads, that is 100% the only person that I would ever trust to help me with Google Ads. And to find out that he has made an incredible book that breaks down everything you need to know about it, I am so excited to receive my copy, and it's definitely something you should check out.
I heard my friend Qasim wrote a book, and all I know is that it's gonna be pretty freaking good, because I have seen this guy speak on stages in front of 7, 8, 9-figure entrepreneurs whose minds have been blown by the wisdom that he has shared.
I just want to make sure that you're clear that when it comes to paid media and Google Ads and all things, honestly, all things digital, Qasim and his team at Solutions 8 are literally the cream of the crop. They're amazing.
He's one of the smartest dudes. He really delivers, more value per minute than most anyone you're ever going to meet, especially in his area of expertise and subject matter. So if you have an opportunity to learn from him, or to at least punk him or have fun just taking his strategies and utilizing it to build your business, make money, get your cause out there, whatever it is, then I highly recommend you pay attention to him because he's a smart dude.
He is truly the foremost expert when it comes to Google Ads. I don't know anyone else that is at his level of expertise, and the things that he's been able to do to help us and to show opportunities to me and to my team are just incredibly invaluable. So I highly recommend Qasim to anyone and everyone that wants to really just take their Google Ads game to the next level and really just learn from a high-level expert, truly an industry-leading, I don't know anyone better than him in Google Ads.
Qasim's subject knowledge is vast. He has a unique ability to communicate complex concepts in a way that not only allows you to understand the subject itself, the issues themselves.
One of my mentors was Kasim, and he taught me all about Google. To be honest, guys, Google kind of scares me. It kind of scares me a lot. And what I love about what Kasim's done is he's broken it down into steps so anyone can become a marketer on Google, even if you're at home with your kids eating chicken wings.
If you're looking to generate more traffic to your website, get more customers, get more clients, increase your web presence, Kasim and everything that he has to teach and share is something that you should be paying incredibly close attention to, because in my opinion, Kasim is the #1 expert in the world when it comes to generating traffic to your business using the Google platform and ecosystem.
Your Google Ads knowledge, and quite frankly, your knowledge about a lot of things, is pretty amazing. So just huge props on the book. Congratulations. You're a great guy, and thanks for reaching out.
Soleil and Kasim Aslam, when they say they're going to do something, they do it. The book is phenomenal. You've got to get it. It's going to make you smarter and stick with this crowd. I do. You should be smart.
I now rely on experts. I try to find the best people in the world for different things, and Solutions 8 Kasim, the people, the whole team over there, they are phenomenal when it comes to the Google ad world and just knowing what I could never hope to know in 100 years. Follow and listen to everything that Solutions 8 says. Hire them, read Kasim's new book, and that's how you succeed.
If you don't know who Kasim is, you need to. He's pretty much the smartest guy I know when it comes to Google advertising. The fact that he was able to lay this out all in this book, you need to own it. It needs to be part of your collection.
And my buddy Kasim Aslam has just released a brand new book on Google advertising called You versus Google. And I highly recommend you buy the book, you devour the content and up your game. Because if you're looking to promote your brand or your business with Google Ads, then Kasim is a guy that you want to follow, and his book is going to be insane.
So I just celebrated 17 years in business, which is something that I'm really proud of and also makes me feel really old. But we posted one of the social graphics online, and somebody said, well, what have you learned over the last 17 years? And it was a really jarring question because it felt almost like a challenge, because part of me feels like I'm still just as dumb and naive as I was when I first started out. And then, that's the imposter syndrome.